Come join us for a tour of the 2023 Grand Design Reflection 298BH. We're going to start off going up the steps to get inside. We're going to start off in the master bedroom. Up the stairs, down the hall. You know the drill. Okay, this is roomy. It's nice. It's got the north-south bed. Lots of storage up there. There's no closet in this rig. However, you have all that storage, and the cabinets are a little bit of storage underneath. And then you have all, here's the closet. It's like a mini closet. Can you see it?
Yep, we're good.
And then all these drawers. Very nice. Storage under the bed. Oh, you got a pocket door. Sliding door. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom. Nice vanity, medicine cabinet. Little thin one. However, you have all this underneath. Oh, it's all cracked. Darn. With the nice drawers. That's nice. Nice shower. Spacious. Has nice holds.
Little bit smaller than ours. Shower's a little bit smaller than a 397.
Yeah, I agree. Definitely. Not as deep either. But it does have the nice storage spaces. And this is a nice cabinet for towels and extra toilet paper or whatever. Nice towel rack. Then you come down the stairs and you have your love seat sofa with lots of storage above, actually. It's nice storage. Nice dinette. I love the horseshoe-shaped dinette dining room. That's nice. And then you have all this counter space. Look at how nice this is. All this cabinetry, nice drawers, all of this. This oven range is a 3-burner gas range. It's got the drawer underneath and the storage above too. Residential size, it looks like it is to me. It just looks maybe a little smaller, but not much at all to worry about. Definitely lots of storage in here though. And then look at this, you have all this underneath here. And there. They added a nice fold down counter for more space. That's nice. It looks like a residential size refrigerator, but I'm not, yeah, I think, maybe not residential, but it's very spacious. Would you say this is residential?
I think that's residential,
okay.
Yeah.
It is spacious, that's for sure. Nice. Oh, then you have another pocket door and you go into, oh, this is nice. This is really cute. It's like another bedroom for your guest. You could sleep both grandchildren up here and mom and dad on the bottom. Oh, we've got another one on the way. We might have to get something else. Oh, maybe the baby could sleep in a drawer. That's how I had to sleep in the very beginning. Did you know that? I had to sleep in a dresser drawer when I was a baby. Very, very nice and spacious. Again, this is the 2023 Grand Design Reflection 298BH. We hope you enjoyed the tour. This is a great rig. I could deal with this, but I don't think it's big enough for Danny, with him having to work and all. For sure not.
Probably not full time.
Not full time anyway.
Yeah.
But this is definitely it's doable.
It's nice.
Really nice. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tour.